Hi Fabians, so let's do an acrylic pour, and I received this fevicryl acrylic pouring kit through Amazon, and I got this pretty little canvases on which I can experiment and go gaga with the pouring.
So this kit comes with an instruction manual. It comes with the video, the AR video scan coder also, and then it tells you like how to use this kit, and then it has the link to get more of these. So, and it also tells you about different techniques. For example, here we have a flip pour. Here we have the stainer technique, in which you take the sink stainer and then you just pour above the stainer itself. Then we have the Dutch pour. Well, I did my Dutch pour last year in my one of the YouTube videos. I'm gonna link it here right now. And then we have the flower dip technique. I have done these two. I have done this one. I really am not a fan of this technique, so so now it has pouring medium, and they give you 3 bottles of pouring mediums. They give you 1 small bottle of silicone oil. It's not really necessary to add silicone oils if you use other different kind of pouring mediums as well, because some have a few additives in them, and some of the properties in a few pouring mediums are like that. But I can't wait to use the silicone oil into this artwork, because I've never used it before in my artworks. Then they give you like 3 so beautiful colors. One is in the shade of yellow, one is a very good coral red, this is a chrome yellow, this is a coral red, and then we have one is black. So this will actually come out as like a pop of color, but I'm going to add one white, which will be a normal white which you use in acrylics with this.
So let's start pouring with these mediums, and first of all I have prepped my base. I have taken these disposable glasses which I always use for my acrylic pouring, and the sticks of course come handy because I need them for mixing. So I'm just pouring the pouring medium into them of little drops of silicone oil, and the colors, the beautiful pigmented fevicryl colors that they gave us in the kit as well. So that's the black, just a few drops, and you can just add according to the texture and the consistency you need for your pouring. The yellow, it's like a lemon yester or mustard yellow. So it's the red. So now I'm just gonna take this plastic away from the canvas. I've actually stepped aside with the rollerblade because it was not helping, so I've just laid down the tissue, and now I'm working with my white around the corners, so I can just do like a semi Dutch pour, not exactly a Dutch pour, spreading the white, feeling all calm right now because it's really meditative to work with colors, and especially with pouring medium, it's like anybody and everybody can do it, so it's super fun and super amazing. And the best part about acrylic pouring is that even the kids can do it, and it is really therapeutic, and playing with colors is always fun. And howsoever you do it, the end result is always amazing. Just pouring a little yellow here and there, then a little bit of red, and then the black. So I'm just blowing into the colors, and they seem non-toxic, and I just blew them, and then I got this textures. The red and the yellow mixed and created an orange. So this is what I'm loving about this kit, that the colors actually mix. In acrylic pouring, the colors definitely do not mix generally, but in this, even after mixing, they're giving a good, nice and good texture. Though the pouring medium is slightly thin, which can be made heavier by using a different medium that you use for your regular pouring, of course. So now I'm doing an cup of pouring, which I call, which is in which in a cup I just pour, and then I just tilt it and enjoy the satisfying process of working with this acrylic pouring. It's just so intriguing and amazing. Especially how the colors blend and how the colors actually come out. It's just super fun. So now I think if I would have taken all the fluorescent colors, the colors would have popped out. Since I've taken a lot of black, so things are going towards, the blacker and the darker shades. But it's cool. It still comes out nice in the end, I guess. So there's no right and wrong when you're doing acrylic pour. It's just that you need to know your consistency, you need to know the mediums, you need to know how to pour, what to pour, and when to pour, and which mediums to pour with, basically. So after that thorough knowledge, you're good to go with pouring, and there is no right way or wrong way to create abstract. You just go with your intuitions and create them. Hope you had a fun. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video, and comment below if you want to see some other content, and I'll be willing to do it for you maybe. Take care.